You know, the one thing about summertime in the Ozarks is that the weather patterns don't change a whole lot, and it has certainly been true lately around here. We'll see if we can find some change in the forecast at 10. One thing's for sure, the temperatures have been pleasant, and for Wednesday, spring will bust out all over. We'll have a very warm forecast for you coming up at 10 o'clock. Still looking at a rainy period across the Ozarks with average amounts of about a ½ inch to 1 inch, maybe a little bit more. It'll all clear out by late in the week. Details at 10. Good evening. Here's your weather update. We're getting close to the weekend, and on Friday, tomorrow, there could be a snow potential problem in central and northern Missouri. Here is the forecast through Saturday morning. The northern counties of the Ozarks could see about 1 inch of snow, but the main heavy snow band will be from around St. Joseph to just north of St. Louis. Snow advisories are in effect. Here's a fast little low moving from Kansas into Missouri tomorrow afternoon. By Friday night, it'll be a memory and leaving us pretty good for Saturday. We'll have news headlines coming up right after this. We achieved 50s for afternoon temperatures today. Should we try for 60s? Let's go for it tomorrow. We'll have the official forecast coming your way at 10. It looks like smooth sailing for the rest of the week. We'll have the forecast at 10. Snows in the forecast and it's causing some concern. We'll have the details at 10. A sunny but rather cool weekend. The details coming up at 10. Good evening, everyone. Here's your weather update. Into the weekend we go. We've had a lot of low gray clouds recently, so these 3 suns in a row are looking pretty good. Chilly morning on Saturday down to 26, but not a bad afternoon. The weekend on balance will be pretty good. Well, the high temperature up to about 60 by Monday when the clouds will start to increase ahead of our next storm, which could bring a few showers into Tuesday, maybe even into Wednesday too, and then definitely a cooling trend toward the middle and late part of next week. We'll have news headlines coming up for you right after this. Another winter storm moving in from the southwest. The good news is that from a lot of the Ozarks, it'll be all liquid, but some of you could get a lot of ice. Details coming up tonight at 10. Another winter storm heads for the Ozarks. Details coming your way at 10. Well, we got rid of the showers, and now the clouds are beginning to break up, and that's going to lead to a pretty chilly overnight low. We'll tell you how low tonight at 10. It was a fine November afternoon with the sun coming back in full force. We'll have one more warm afternoon before the showers hit. We'll have the forecast details at 10. Good evening. Temperatures are getting cold tonight in the wake of that clipper that passed to our north with lower teens and single digits, very common across the Ozarks tonight. Even colder up north where the snow cover is very deep. But this is a temporary Arctic invasion. We're going to be down to 13 tomorrow morning. But as you can see on the 7-day forecast, things are warming up fairly nicely. Maybe some rain moving in here on Monday. We'll have more Olympic coverage, so stay here on Color 10. We'll be back at 10:30. By far the coolest air since last spring. Some of you may have to turn on the heaters. It's going to be a chilly night. We're going to get down to about 43 tomorrow morning. Partial clearing only across the area. And then tomorrow, mostly cloudy again by afternoon. Some showers popping up all over the Ozarks. A high temperature of 58. 7-day forecast calls for showers to be mentioned all the way through Tuesday with only a gradual warming trend through that. Have a good night.
This weather update has been brought to you by Color 10 Newsbeat. We set the pace.
Saturday's looking a little bit better with showers taken out. The forecast at 10. The showers are gone and the clouds are next. We'll have the forecast tonight at 10. Big winter storm to affect Missouri. We'll have the forecast at 10. How warm will the weekend be? We'll find out after the Olympics. Thawing temperatures we can promise to continue the rest of the week, but the sunshine we enjoyed today, no promises. We'll have the forecast details coming up at 10. Cooler and drier air finally worked its way into the Ozarks today. That will gradually wear off as the week wears on, and thunderstorms come back by the weekend. Details coming up at 10. Thanksgiving Day will be a nice day. In fact, one of the nicest days we've had so far this week, but the weather will go downhill toward the latter part of the weekend. We'll have complete details tonight at 10. We could use another sunny and relatively warm day to get rid of some of the ice, and Thanksgiving Day will deliver, but toward the end of the weekend, rain and maybe some potential problems beyond that. We'll have details at 10. We'll go through several periods of rain and sunshine over the next several days. Sunshine, I think we'll get in here on Saturday. Good news. And more rain on Sunday, which is even better news. We'll have the forecast tonight at 10. We made a transition during the afternoon to cooler temperatures, but over the weekend, I think you'll be surprised by the afternoon readings. We'll have complete forecast details tonight at 10. The weekend will be half and half. We'll have some sunshine on Saturday. Good news. Pretty warm temperatures, too. And also some more rain on Sunday, which is even better news. We'll have the details coming up tonight at 10. Holiday travel should start just fine. We'll have the complete forecast tonight at 10. Sunshine and 60s for the weekend. We'll have the complete forecast tonight at 10. It may snow by the end of the week. We'll have the forecast tonight at 10.